This is our honest review of the Excellence Coral Playa Mujeres Beachfront Honeymoon Suite with Rooftop Terrace, room 5187.
Bathroom, the shower is, I will say it's beautiful. It was like a waterfall when I got in it yesterday. I didn't want to get out, which is nice. Same toilet is blue, bog, water closet, whatever you like to call it. Same as downstairs. Closet, same drawers, same bedding, same safe, same table and chairs, same bed, just the opposite way around. Telly 1, telly 2, so we can watch TV in bed. I know people have talked about not having it, but we do in here. There is doors, so you can get some privacy. From what, I don't know, but we left them open. This is the sofa area, a nice welcomey thing. Telly. Drinks thing. It's got whiskey, it's got rum, tequila, vodka, Baileys. No gin, we need gin. Hubby's gonna try and change that. Other side, same as downstairs, opposite way around. Coffees, tea, snackies. That's obviously Lay's, but in a different lingo. And it's got soft drinks and snackies. The outdoor patio is a lot smaller than the one we had.
The jacuzzis are the same in all the rooms, whether upstairs or on the terrace level.
This one down here is the one that we had. This is a 4-foot pool, private pool. It is 4 foot. It is tiled. It was really nice. You got access down to the Excellence Club private pool for people. This side, you got the bed like we had downstairs. Here the wonderful DJ. And this is the pool that can be used by everyone. The volleyball and stuff happens in there. Restaurant over here. Better views of the sea. Then we go upstairs. Up the dancers, as my mum used to say when I was little. And it's got a bigger terrace up here than we had downstairs. Much bigger. Seating area. Lamp. Bed. Double bed this time. Downstairs it was 2 separate beds. It's got a shower. And then it's got the inlay pool, which is cloudy. It is plastic.
Before we shot this video, we had maintenance come out and clean the pool because it was very cloudy. When we came back, the pool still had the green, and we had to call them back out a second time.
That's what we had last night, just to put it in perspective. Beautiful views of the ocean. This is the plunge pool inlay, which is 2.5 foot deep.
So what are the pros and cons? The room size is really great. The styling function is really nice. There's a fully stocked minibar, including Sprite, beer, mixers, things like that. There is a fully stocked top shelf liquor cabinet, as well as nicely placed televisions in the room. Great for winding down at night. For some, there's a private plunge pool, which is about 2.5 feet deep. Not great for swimming, but really good for cooling off. The bathroom layout is really great compared to other Excellence properties. However, you do lose your half bathroom that you get at EPM and ERC. And the location and proximity to the amenities such as restaurants and swimming pools and beach are all really convenient with this room. While the drawbacks are few, the price may be considered steep for a room of this size, as the suite isn't significantly larger than the Excellence Club suites. The primary advantage of what you're paying for with this room is its location. Additionally, a lack of space to dry wet items is a minor inconvenience. While towels are provided by the resort at the pools and at the beach, there's no designated spot in your room to hang swimwear. This could easily be fixed by the resort with the installation of some retractable clotheslines. All in all, we had a wonderful time at Excellence Coral Playa Mujeres, and we would go back. We would give it a few months, probably 6 to 12 months, in order for all the kinks to be worked out. But they were few and far between, and we were unhappy to leave. So we would definitely head back to Excellence Coral Playa Mujeres.